Pumapanda na lang sa katawan ni Habla. It's a 6-0 run for Sorsogon.
Ayan na si Joaquino sa baseline. Habla again. Open for 3. His third try. And finally makes it.
Finally, this quality big man itong si Hopper Mondragon, kaya talagang hindi nila binigyan ng pagkakataon o ng space to create a shot sa ilalim.
Ayan na si
Oh! That's a nice shot mula kay Delat. O yung run ng Sorsogon. Or Kasiguran rather.
Ayan na si Hoffer inside the paint. Hoffer operating inside. Nabitawan ng bola. Tumama daw sa katawan, sabi ni referee Faraon.
And what an electrifying move sana yon from Eli. But he couldn't finish.
Ayan na si Joaquino. A blocking foul was called sa number 4 na si Estraballa.
Oh!
This is the shot. Ansus.
Grabe kasi nasa transition na doon si
Joaquino attacks. Grabe, partner. Very effective itong si Joaquino talaga. He can shoot outside. Nabitawan
and
ng bola.
missing the ball.
And Joaquino is ahead. Again, Joaquino with the fake. Yun na nga, partner. Medyo mahaba.
That's a wise play for Joaquino.
Yes. And a good recognition dito na kay Joaquino talaga. Finding his
Sorsogon City. Johnson Dolpina. Joaquino fires from the 3-point territory. And that's good. Ayan, lima na.
Pronunciation College, partner.
Dito
Nag-chat sa akin si
dito sa
Coach Ron Halmansar. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Coach Ron. Salamat sa pag-antabay, sa suporta. Ayan si Hoffer sa gitna. Swings the ball. Joaquino is also a product of pronunciation.
Another 3-point shot made by Joaquino. And a foul.
And
They're missing, I think, three opportunities.
Baras. Oh! Crosses over. Kicks it out to Joaquino. Attacks. Joaquino. Hangs.
And got fouled.
Misses the shot. Yan na naman, partner.
Oo.
Si Ansus Johnson talagang... and I guess it's safe to say the first win ng Ako Bicol Cup Catanduanes will go to...
Sorsogon.
sorry.
1-0.
Ako Bicol Cup.
Sorsogon.